Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 33 1/3 record, which I am about to pour some black on, and stand up black, and I'll wish it around a little bit with my paintbrush, I think. I will be tilting this, so hopefully I'll have plenty to cover it. I'm going to do a flip cup, and I think that's got all of it. A bit hard to see black on black. Alright, that will do. So, 1 cup, and I'll start with this dark blue. I have dark blue, light blue, white, yellow, and a plum colour, which I rather like. So I'm just pouring them in, and touch of black. There you go. Maybe need to use this black. And some white and some yellow, and I think that'll be more than enough for this. Piece of cardboard should be big enough. Good. Pretty colours anyway. Give them a minute. Lots of cells. Oh, the black and that colour I made with the red and blue looked really good. So we'll just go down here a bit, I think. Just giving it a little bit of a swirl around. Here. Okay. Just double off that bright white, and oh yes, take it over here. Okay, looking rather good. It's like a sunset. I've got to do something with that. Let's not make any comments. We will just some blue and sort that out. And then I'll let it run down a bit just to get rid of that shape that it was. I think I'll get rid of some of this pink too. Though I don't want to get rid of all of it. And I'll just bring it back. Right. Right, so that's quite nice. Put the torch on it and see if any of those cells survived. Really quite pretty. Which way do we want to look at it? Interesting. Okay, so I think I like it with the yellow down here like that. Maybe a bit more. There we go. That's how it'll be. Wipe my hands off and I'll bring you down to take a look. And I have enough paint to do one more, so that'll be alright as well. So the paint's pouring medium under show more below the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos onto YouTube. And this one's really pretty. I hope you enjoyed. If I get out of the light, you'd be better. Yes, there you are. You can see the lines and the cells. Bit of lacing there, which is rather pretty. It's really quite nice. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.